Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we've got some exciting news for all you tech enthusiasts out there. FantasTech II, the much awaited tech extravaganza from Newegg, is here starting today, Monday, October the 9th till Friday, October the 13th. It's going to be the second biggest sale of the year. So mark your calendars and get ready for some amazing deals. Gadget Beer. But before we dive into the details, let me ask you a question. How often do you find yourself in a last minute panic during the holiday season because you haven't finished your shopping? Well, worry no more because FantasTech II is here to save the day. This is the perfect opportunity to get all your holiday shopping done early so you can enjoy the festivities without any stress. Now let's talk about why Newegg is the ultimate tech shopping experience. Our friends at Newegg have made buying tech easier than ever before. They introduced some fantastic tools and features that you don't want to miss out on. First, we have the laptop finder. If you're in the market for a new laptop, this tool is a game changer. It's like having a personal tech expert at your fingertips. Just head over to newegg.com/tools/laptop finder and you'll find the easiest way to buy a laptop online. It filters out everything that matters and removes everything that doesn't, ensuring you get the perfect laptop for your needs. Next, for all you gamers and graphic enthusiasts out there, Newegg has an incredible offer, the new GPU trade-in program. Got an old GPU lying around? Trade it in and get an even bigger discount on the already discounted GPUs during FantasTech II. It's a fantastic way to upgrade your system without breaking the bank. And for all you tech DIYers out there, building your dream PC just got a whole lot easier. The PC Builder, this tool ensures that all your new PC parts work together seamlessly. Plus, Newegg has some mind-blowing deals on PC components and computers that you can't afford to miss. Let me share some of these fantastic deals with you. The Intel Core i5-13600K Raptor Lake 14-core GPU, originally $329.99. Now it's just $284.99. That's a $45 savings. We also have the MSI MPG Z690 Force Wi-Fi DDR5 motherboard, originally $369.99, now only $199. That's an incredible $170 savings. Also, the Lenovo Legion Pro 5 gaming laptop, originally $1,719.99, now available for $1,249.99. That's a whopping $470 savings. It doesn't get better than that. The MSI Modern 14 Ultra Thin laptop, originally $529, now just $419. That's a $110 saving. The MSI Gaming Desktop Aegis R with the RTX 4070, originally $1,799, now on sale for $1,499. That's a $300 savings. And finally, we have the Nextorage 2TB NVMe M2 internal SSD, originally $250. Now it's an unbeatable $97.99. That's $152 with 1 cent savings. These deals are hot and they won't last long, so make sure you grab your favorite tech piece before they're gone. So there you have it, folks. FantasTech II is your golden ticket to upgrade your tech game without breaking the bank. Remember, it's happening from Monday, October the 9th till Friday, October the 13th. Don't miss out on the killer savings, the convenience, and the sheer joy of tech shopping at its finest.